Hal, today what we are going to see is how to highlight a duplicate value in Excel sheet. Let me open the Excel sheet. I'm opening blank workbook. Consider we have ID, employee ID as 2456, and 2345 and 2567 and again 3456, 2345, 5678 and again 2526 7. Okay, here we have some duplicate values, like how to highlight duplicate values. So in home menu there is option called conditional formatting, highlight cell rule. In that there is option called duplicate value. If you click that, it will highlight all the duplicate value. Okay, so consider like now we have employee name. So employee name will be a text. So if we want to uh, highlight the duplicate value in the text, right, like we can use same option. It will highlight the duplicate value. So here we have employee name, here we have some duplicate value as well. So we are going to use same option on home menu, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate value. If we click that, it will show the format cell contain duplicate. Okay, and then the value with red cell, like we can change this option. We can change option to highlight as red or yellow or green, or light red or red border. Like I'm going to highlight as green. Okay, it's highlighted. Like these are the duplicate value. Or else if you want to highlight a unique value, okay, in same option home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, duplicate value. Instead of duplicate we can select unique value. Okay, unique value as yellow. So unique value as highlighted as yellow and duplicate value highlighted as green. Thank you.